guys, what's up? I'm gonna be showing you our snow of New Jersey. A snow truck just passed by, so I had to record it. It's going down there. There's a snow truck, so I'm gonna be showing you our snow of New Jersey. So our Christmas decorations are all covered in snow, as you can see. As you can see, there is a lot of snow later at 2 p.m. right now. I think it's 11:33 p.m. Now I'm gonna be showing you at 2 I'm gonna be doing this snow. So in a little bit I'll be doing that. So in 2 hours and 27 minutes, I think I'll be doing that. There's a lot, and probably, I don't know why the driveway and the sidewalk's still not wet, just the grass. There's another snow truck just up ahead. So it's pretty cool. The glass is very cold because of the snow. Yeah, so as you can see, pretty nice snow. The steps are even snowy. Look at that. Just the steps have snow. It just melts when it went on the driveway. And the patio. So it's pretty cool. So there it is. You can see all the houses. The roof is pretty snowy. So I'm gonna record a lot of parts today. It's pretty much, this is part 3. If you guys watch part 1 and part 2, if you want, you could watch it. It was less snow. Now there's more. Look at the Christmas decorations. So that's everything I'm gonna be showing you for today. So bye.